Somewhere along the way, making $100,000 became the benchmark of success in the coaching industry. 6 figures. That's when you've officially made it. It's the milestone everyone is chasing. But here's what I don't understand. If everyone is selling the destination, why is almost nobody teaching coaches how to actually get there? Instead, we're told to post more content, grow a bigger audience, buy another course, launch another offer, master another platform. And somehow we're expected to believe that if we just keep doing more, eventually everything will click. I don't think most coaches are struggling because they aren't working hard enough. I think they're struggling because no one ever showed them how to build the business itself. The coaching industry has become really good at telling coaches what to build, but not how to build it. We've become obsessed with marketing coaching businesses before we've learned how to build one. And those are two very different things. Over the past 12 years, I've helped coaches and consultants build premium brands and businesses while growing my own business from scratch to multiple 6 figures. And if there's one thing I've learned, it isn't that 6 figures requires more hustle. It's that it requires a better business. The difference is they built the right business. That's exactly why I created the 100K Coaching Business Challenge. It's a free 3-day challenge designed to help coaches stop guessing and finally understand what actually creates a 6-figure coaching business. Not another marketing tactic, not another content strategy, and not another list of hacks. Instead, I'm going to show you the underlying architecture behind a coaching business that is designed to reach 6 figures. It's the same framework that's helped me build a multi-6-figure business while working just 3 days a week. And the same principles I've used to help coaches and consultants build premium businesses for more than a decade. By the end of these 3 days, you'll understand what actually creates a $100,000 coaching business, what's keeping your business from growing, and exactly what you should be focusing on next. Because once you understand how a successful coaching business is actually built, every future decision becomes easier. You stop chasing random strategies. You stop second guessing yourself, and you start building your business with clarity, confidence, and intention. Most free trainings teach you another tactic: how to get more followers, how to create better content, how to sell, how to launch. Those things matter, but they only work when they're built on the right foundation. That's what we're gonna build together. If you're serious about building a coaching business that is designed to reach 6 figures, I'd love to invite you to join the challenge. Reserve your seat with the link below, and I'll see you inside.